Hi guys, this is Deepa. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. If you're someone who love watching makeup, fashion and beauty related content, then you must check out my videos and also take a moment to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification to get the future update. So today in this video I'll be sharing with you guys my night time routine जो ही बहुत ही simple है. तो आज थोड़ा extra add करके दिखा रही हूँ because today is my scrubbing night. So yeah, let's get into the video. I have no makeup on my skin, just I have a lip balm. I mean a tinted, this is a tinted lip balm, that's why थोड़ा pink लग रहा है. But still I'll cleanse my face using my Ayur cleanser and my sponge. तो ये अच्छे से face को मैं clean कर लेती हूँ. So we should always clean our face before applying any moisturizer or any skincare products. Doesn't matter कितना भी skin clean हो जाए, हमेशा इसको clean करना चाहिए. ये थोड़ा सा just lip balm था. So after cleansing, I'll be using a scrub, and today I'm using scrub is from Himalaya. It is almost खत्म हो चुका है. So mostly I'll be concentrating on my nose area. We all know what a scrub does. A scrub helps in exfoliating our skin. It helps to remove the dead skin cells, or it does dirt and excess sebums are the main reason for the most skin issues including acne. तो स्क्रब करने से twice in a week स्किन को बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प मिलता है. Okay, so I'll apply it properly and come back. Okay, so I have washed my face. अब मैं toner apply करूँगी and I'm using my Biotech as usual toner. Is there Bio Honey Water. वो मैं थोड़ा सा कॉटन ले लेती हूँ. So applying a toner, it helps to remove any last traces of dirt, grime or any impurities stuck in our pores after washing our face. And if we add this to our daily skincare routine and use it regularly, it can have major positive impact on the appearance and it tightens our pores area. Yeah, and toner also makes sure if you have any dirt left on your skin after washing your face. में एक ट्रेंड बहुत फेमस हुआ था लाइक यूजिंग टोनर फॉर 7 times एंड आई फॉलोड इट फॉर 3 days और मुझे उतना कुछ फ़र्क पड़ा नहीं है. आई नो इट्स लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 1 महीना करने से होता है बट वही होता है ना, एक लेयर से जो होता है वही होता है. इसको 7 layers में क्या होता है, दिस इज़ नॉट, टोनर इज़ नॉट समथिंग विच विल बी एब्जॉर्ब बाय आवर स्किन जो ज़्यादा देने से अच्छा नरिशमेंट होता है. नथिंग लाइक दैट, राइट. सो उसके बाद से मैं एक ही बार यूज़ करती हूँ. Next, I'll spray some rose water on my face just to get a refreshment. It's a facial mist actually. So I'll let it dry and come back with the next process. Next, I'll be applying moisturizer. The moisturizer I'm using is from Bioni, is from our same brand, and this is the cute packaging. So मैंने recently लिया हुआ है, so I'll be sharing a mini review. And that's the consistency. It is a perfect balance of, क्या बोले, nourishment and stickiness. It's not that much sticky and it's not that much oily. It's just a perfect balance. Once I start applying or you start applying to your face, you feel like ये बहुत चिपचिप है, but no, within a second it's absorbed by your skin. And so I'll be massaging it very well. Yeah, see, first it will look like it is sticky, but it's not crisping. Within a second it will absorb. So what a moisturizer does, I don't need to explain, but still moisturizer prevent and treat dry skin. हम भी किसी भी स्किन केयर अप्लाई करने के बाद प्रोसीजर वी ऑलवेज हैव टू अप्लाई द मॉइस्चराइज़र, ताकि ये पूरा जो स्किन केयर हुआ है ना उसको बैलेंस अप करने के लिए, ताकि ये ड्राई ना रहे एंड द प्रीवियस प्रोडक्ट्स कैन वर्क वंडर ऑन आवर स्किन. So usually इतना तक ही था, like applying a moisturizer is more than enough, but applying another layer on my face, and that's aloe vera gel because I was out in the sun. Direct sun में expose होने से ना I got bit irritation on my skin, so I'll be giving extra nourishment to my skin tonight, and I'll be mixing this with a vitamin E capsule. If you guys didn't see my previous video on the various ways to use aloe vera gel, you may just click in the I button and watch. And now from in this ingredients, I'll be add one more ingredients, and that's a glycerin. And this glycerin is from Nice. Is the Oral Solution USP. So I'll be taking it's few drops, I mean 2 or 3 drops of glycerin, because I already have vitamin E capsule and that's pretty enough. Yeah, mix this well. I told in my previous video as well कि विटामिन E कैप्सूल के साथ एलोवेरा जेल मिक्स करने से it changes its color to white, a creamy white. Now I'll massage it all over my face until it absorbs pretty well, completely. Oops. चलो हेयर को भी नरिशमेंट मिल ही जाए. But we can use a vitamin E capsule in the hair also, and aloe vera gel भी apply कर सकते हैं, but I'm not sure about the glycerin. Tell you a few things about what a vitamin E capsule does to our skin. It definitely gives the proper moisturization. It can heal any open wound on our skin, and it can reduce any skin itching अगर है तो. Then it can prevent and minimize the appearance of any scars if we have it on our skin or face, and it can prevent fine lines and wrinkles. And there are more effects like a sunburn से भी prevention देता है, and it add proper nourishment to our skin. And ये nail से भी अच्छा होता है, it promote the nail growth. It is also good for our hair. So there are a lot of benefits of it using a vitamin E capsule. तो ये पूरा वीडियो खत्म हो जाएगा. Now I'll tell few things about glycerin. इनके बहुत सारे इफेक्ट है, so I'll be making another video on that. यहाँ पे बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, so उस वीडियो में बताती हूँ the proper way. Last but not the least, lips को क्यों छोड़े. So I'll be applying a lip balm, and this is from Nivea. Actually रात को मैं Boleyn लगाती हूँ because my lips are pretty dry. It's like dry all the seasons. और विंटर में तो इसको एक्स्ट्रा एडेड बोनस मिल जाता है, बट आज मैं इसी से चलाऊँगी. इट्स लाइक इट्स फ्रॉम निविया चेरी शाइन. इट हैज़ अ लिटिल बिट टिंट. Balm protects our lips from the direct external exposure, and it seals the moisture on our lips. So that's it. It looks like I have consumed glitter on my face. But no, you know the process is like glycerin, और glycerin से ज़्यादा होता है ये. And vitamin E capsule भी था, and aloe vera gel, and again I have applied a moisturizer before as well. So yeah, my face is a bit sticky, but it's okay. I'll be sleeping. I'll be going to bed after 1 hour. तो तब तक ये अच्छे से absorb हो जाएगा skin में. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, and you can also share it with your friends. And you can also let me know what's your skincare routine. Maybe you have more products to add on, or maybe a moisturizer and you're good to go like me. Most of the times I do that. So anyways, see you in my next video. Till then,